90% of women get horny when men do this. Psychology facts about human behavior. Most people believe that women's sexual arousal is all about physical attraction or deep emotional connection. But psychology and behavioral science suggest something much more nuanced and surprisingly specific. 1. Confidence is a massive turn-on. Studies show that 90% of women report feeling heightened sexual interest when a man exhibits natural confidence, not arrogance, but calm, self-assured energy. A 2013 study published in the Journal of Personality found that confident behavior in men, like upright posture, steady eye contact, and calm voice tone, significantly increased women's arousal levels during first impressions. Why? Because confidence signals competence, strength, and emotional stability, key traits our brains associate with genetic fitness and reliable protection. 2. Scent triggers desire. You may not realize it, but women's sense of smell plays a powerful role in sexual attraction. In fact, a man's natural body odor, specifically the scent linked to testosterone and immune system genes MHC complex, can subconsciously trigger arousal in many women. When a man smells subtly masculine, clean, but natural, up to 90% of women in a 2008 Swiss study reported increased sexual thoughts during ovulation phases. Synthetic colognes, often too overpowering. 3. Deep voice equals deep arousal. A deep, resonant male voice has been shown to affect the female limbic system, the emotional center of the brain. According to evolutionary psychology, women associate lower-pitched voices with dominance and maturity, which can subconsciously boost sexual desire. Interestingly, when women were asked to rank the sexiest traits in a partner during fertile cycles, vocal depth ranked higher than facial appearance. So speaking slowly and with a slightly lower tone can send subconscious arousal signals. 4. Gentle dominance sparks fantasy. Contrary to the stereotype that women only want emotional tenderness, psychology reveals that gentle dominance, like taking the lead during conversation, touching her lower back when guiding her through a crowd, or confidently initiating plans, can ignite female arousal. Why? It plays into erotic scripts many women unconsciously follow. These scripts blend safety with assertiveness, a balance of emotional trust and physical leadership. 5. Emotional presence beats physical perfection. Finally, most women become aroused not just by what men do, but by how present they are while doing it. Being genuinely attentive, listening without distraction, and showing authentic interest in a woman's words activates deep emotional circuits that fuel intimacy, which often leads to arousal. In short, it's not six-pack abs or flashy cars that turn 90% of women on, it's when a man makes her feel seen, safe, and subtly challenged. Bottom line, women's arousal isn't just visual, it's psychological. Confidence, presence, voice tone, scent, and subtle dominance all create invisible triggers that spark desire. Men who understand this aren't just more attractive, they're more connected.